All right, so here's a SQL injection lab. So I want the first one. All right, here we are. And I'll close these other tabs. All right, and launch this lab. All right, in the product category filter, it carries out a SQL query like this, where category equals gifts and released equals 1. So I want to change this so it will show me all the products regardless of category. So I want to make this where condition into something that is always true. So that should be pretty easy. So it's the category filter. So I go here, refresh this, then I go to burp and clear the old stuff out of the history. And the category filter is here, like lifestyle. So now it's showing me only the lifestyle category. So this it is, filter, category is lifestyle. So I send that to the repeater. And if I look at the instructions here, you can see category equals gifts. So there's an apostrophe here. So if I inject an apostrophe here, I can then inject characters after that. And the stuff we just talked about should work. So it would be apostrophe, or I'm using pluses instead of spaces. That usually works better. 1 equals 1, and then a dash dash should start a comment. So if I've done it right, this will make a condition that's always true. Category equals lifestyle, or 1 equals 1. Let's see. It's very easy to make syntax errors, however. And I didn't. Okay, I got it right, and I won. So that's an example of a solution that shows me all the categories, all the results. All right. And the next one is also extremely simple. Login bypass. Shockingly simple. In the login function, I want to log in as administrator. And the point here is, when you log in, you send up a username and password, and there's a query on the server that says find data where user name equals equals the name from the user and password equals the password from the user. So if I put in administrator and then an apostrophe to terminate it, and then a dash dash to be a comment, it will just log in where username equals administrator, and it will never get to the password comparison. So I can put anything here, and I get in. And if the instructions may make that more clear, but not really. Yep. All right. Anyway, that's the point. That's extremely simple. It is technically SQL injection, but it's very simple. And so if you do the others, you actually do things. The Oracle stuff wasn't that interesting. What I thought was interesting was down where you get the number of columns. Here you go. Here's one where you have to determine the number of columns. And that's what I was just talking about. When you do a union injection, trying to add two tables, two select queries together, you have to make sure the columns will match. So give those a try.